In this video, I'll guide you through how to add price and score calculations in Typeform. If you're looking to make your forms more dynamic by incorporating calculations, you've come to the right place. Adding these features can enhance your form's functionality, allowing you to provide instant feedback or adjust outcomes based on user inputs. To get started, first head over to typeform.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, you'll need to select a form. You can either choose an existing one or create a new form if you're starting from scratch. Click on your form to open it, and let's dive into the settings. Once your form is open, look for the Workflow button. This is typically located in the toolbar, and clicking it will allow you to access various settings and configurations for your form. This is where we'll be setting up our calculations. Next, you'll want to click on Scoring, which is located at the top left of the Workflow section. This feature allows you to assign a score to each answer option, which can be incredibly useful for quizzes, assessments, or any form where you want to tally points based on participant responses. After setting up the scoring for your questions, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your configurations are stored and won't be lost as you continue editing. Now, let's add some logic to our form by clicking on Branching. Branching allows you to create a more personalized experience for your users by directing them to different questions or endings based on their previous answers. It's a powerful tool for making your form more interactive and tailored to individual responses. Within the branching options, you'll see an option for Always Go To. This setting determines the next question or section that your form will navigate to, regardless of previous answers. Make sure to set this up according to your form's design and flow. To make your form even more dynamic, you can add a rule. Rules are what enable you to create complex pathways and outcomes based on user interaction. Click Add Rule to set conditions and actions that will guide the user experience. Whether you want to direct users to a specific section based on their scores or display different outcomes, rules give you the flexibility to do so. Once you've finished setting up your rules and logic, be sure to click Save again. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are applied to your form and will function as intended when users interact with it. And there you have it. You've successfully added price and score calculations to your Typeform, making it more interactive and tailored to your needs. This setup can be particularly beneficial for creating quizzes, assessments, or any form requiring immediate feedback based on user input. Remember, the key to a successful form is not just in the questions you ask, but in how you respond to the answers. By incorporating these calculations, you're stepping up your form game, providing a richer experience for your users. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are ready to implement these features in your own Typeforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and happy form building.